Hello there, let's talk about this wireless adapter for a car. I have one working with my iPhone and now I want an extra one but working with my Android devices like my Samsung phone for example. Okay, so I got this new one. It's pretty easy to use. You just need to connect to your car using USB-A or USB-C ports and you're good to go because it's a plug and play device with fast connection. It comes with everything that you need like a user guide and a 12 months warranty extension as well. And here's the device. Let me just approach here so you can see better. That's the brand. Here USB-A cable and also comes with a USB-C adapter. So if you have USB-C in your car, you can just adapt using this one, okay? So it's pretty easy to use. Let me just demonstrate how it works in my car. Okay guys, so I'm here in my car right now. As you can see, I have the device that I use with my iPhone. I just connect via USB-A port. And now I want to do the same concept here with my Android phone, right? So this one is for iPhone and the new one that I have just right here is for Android devices. So I just connect to the USB port and I see that's working right now. Okay, it's lit here. And I got my phone here. There we go. And I just open here the Bluetooth part and I find this Smart AD. As long as I find it, I just connect to it and I'm good to go. Okay, and also you see there comes some instructions in the screen. You just accept everything, install the Android Auto here and starts working. Of course, you need to have your car compatible with the device. There's a list of compatibility. Mine is a Honda CR-V 2019 and it works, right? So basically you see the map there on the screen. This is the map from my cell phone. And then also if I open a YouTube here, for example, or whatever you want to open here to play it, and you can play there. You see, I just hit play here and starts playing back there. So pretty easy, okay? I can just start playing anything that I want here and it reflects there easy like this. Okay, so you have here maps, you have your music, your phone calls, and everything that you need to have here from your cell phone in your car without cables at all. Okay, so it works pretty fine. And as you can see, there's again this version for iPhone. If you have an iPhone, you get this one, and if you have Android, you just get the Android version, just like I have here. Okay. So guys, this is a good device. It also comes here with this adapter. If you have like USB-C in your car instead of USB-A, you can connect the device here with the adapter and you're good to go. As you can see, I have map there and music playing without any cables. Every time that I come to my car, it starts connecting automatically and I'm good to go, okay? So that's a good device because I've been using this for the iPhone version and it works pretty fine. Okay, so basically I like this one for Android as well and I recommend it.